Hi, in this video I will show you how to change your Discord tag without using the Nitro. So if you don't have the Nitro on your Discord and you still want to change your Discord tag, so how you can basically do it we will discuss in this video. So let's start the process. So first of all you have to open your Discord on your mobile or on the laptop, and once you will do it you have to open the web version or the desktop application of the Discord. So after that log into your account. Right now I have logged into my Discord account on my desktop application of the Discord, and after that you have to click on the settings from here. Once you will in your settings you will see multiple options. Simply you have to click on the my account, and this is basically your tag 0388. You have some different tag. Right now my tag is this, so whenever I click on it there is no option to change it. So how you can basically change it, you will see username and the edit option here. Right here you have to enter the random number like 25643 like this, and here you have to enter the current password and click on the done. Once you will click on the done, your this tag will be changed. After that again you have to click on the edit and write your name again back, whatever your name is. So after that again enter the current password and then click on the done, so your tag will be changed on the Discord. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.